Hey everyone, are you ready for a food adventure? Let's dive into the exciting world of Manila's viral food recipes that are causing a stir online. These dishes are not only delicious but surprisingly healthy too. We're talking about recipes that have taken social media by storm, with food bloggers and home cooks alike sharing their tantalizing creations. Get ready for vibrant colors, exotic flavors, and the warmth of Filipino hospitality, all packed into one delicious plate. From your phone screen straight to your kitchen, these recipes offer a taste of Manila's vibrant culinary scene. But it's not just about the taste. These dishes highlight fresh, locally sourced ingredients that are as good for your body as they are for your taste buds. We're about to unlock the secrets of these healthy and delicious Manila eats. So, whether you're a seasoned foodie or just starting your culinary journey, get ready to tantalize your taste buds. We're about to embark on a delicious journey to explore the viral food sensations taking Manila and the world by storm. First stop on our journey through Manila: healthy flavors of Filipino tradition. Filipino cuisine is known for its bold flavors and hearty dishes, but beyond the deliciousness lies a heart of healthy eating. Traditional cooking methods often involve steaming, grilling, or slow cooking, which help retain the nutrients in the ingredients. Fresh vegetables, seafood, and lean meats are staples in Filipino cuisine, reflecting a focus on fresh, wholesome ingredients. These viral recipes capture the essence of Filipino culinary tradition while embracing a modern, health-conscious approach. They are a testament to the fact that healthy eating doesn't have to mean compromising on flavor. Get ready to discover the exciting world of Filipino cuisine, where taste and health go hand in hand.
Our first dish, a Filipino culinary icon. Let's kick things off with a true Filipino classic, adobo. This dish is practically synonymous with Filipino cuisine, and for good reason. Imagine tender, juicy pieces of meat, chicken, pork, or even seafood, simmered in a rich, savory sauce that's bursting with flavor. That's adobo. It's the kind of dish that makes your mouth water just thinking about it. What makes adobo so special is its incredible depth of flavor. Soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, bay leaves, and black peppercorns come together in perfect harmony, creating a taste that's both tangy and savory, with a hint of sweetness. And the best part? The longer it simmers, the more intense the flavors become. It's like a flavor explosion in your mouth. But adobo is more than just a pretty face. It's also surprisingly versatile. You can adjust the ingredients to suit your taste, adding chilies for a spicy kick or coconut milk for a richer, creamier sauce. Whether you prefer it with rice, noodles, or even just a crusty bread for dipping, adobo is a true crowd pleaser that's guaranteed to satisfy.
Now you might be thinking, all that flavor must come at a cost, right? Well, here's the surprise. Adobo is actually pretty healthy. The magic lies in the marinade. The vinegar, a star ingredient in adobo, is known for its health benefits. It's a natural preservative that helps extend the shelf life of the dish, making it perfect for those who love to meal prep. But that's not all. Vinegar is also believed to help regulate blood sugar levels and aid in digestion. Plus, the garlic in adobo packs a powerful punch of flavor and health benefits. Garlic is known for its antibacterial and antiviral properties, giving your immune system a little boost with every bite. And let's not forget about the protein. Whether you choose chicken, pork, or seafood, adobo provides a good source of protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues. So you can enjoy this flavorful dish, knowing that you're also nourishing your body from the inside out.
Cooking at home. Listen carefully so that it is your turn to cook and mastering adobo at home. Ready to bring a taste of the Philippines to your kitchen? Adobo is surprisingly easy to make at home. The key is to start with a good marinade. Combine soy sauce, vinegar, crushed garlic, peppercorns, and bay leaves in a bowl and let your chosen protein marinate for at least 30 minutes, or even better, overnight for maximum flavor. Once your meat is marinated to perfection, it's time to cook. Heat some oil in a pot and sear the meat until it's lightly browned. This will help to lock in the juices and give it a nice color. Then add the marinade to the pot, along with a little bit of water, and bring it to a simmer. Let it cook low and slow until the meat is tender and the sauce has thickened. And there you have it, your very own homemade adobo, ready to be devoured. Serve it with steamed rice, a side of vegetables, and maybe even a fried egg on top for the ultimate Filipino food experience.
Our second dish is a symphony of sour and savory. we're diving into a dish that's all about that signature Filipino sourness, sinigang. This beloved soup is a staple in Filipino households, loved for its tangy broth and hearty mix of vegetables and meat. Imagine this, a steaming bowl of sour broth packed with tender pieces of pork, shrimp, or fish, and a medley of colorful vegetables like green beans, okra, and leafy greens. That's sinigang, a dish that's as comforting as it is flavorful. What sets sinigang apart is its unique sourness from tamarind, a tropical fruit known for its tangy pulp. It's a flavor that's both familiar and exotic, like a warm hug on a rainy day.
Now let's talk about the star of the show, tamarind. This tropical fruit isn't just responsible for sinigang's signature sourness, it's also a nutritional powerhouse. Tamarind is packed with antioxidants which help protect your body from damage caused by harmful free radicals. It's like giving your immune system a delicious boost with every spoonful. But that's not all. Tamarind is also a good source of fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements, prevents constipation, and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. And let's not forget about the vitamins and minerals. Tamarind is a good source of vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium, all of which play important roles in maintaining overall health. So, when you're sipping on a bowl of sinigang, you're not just indulging in a delicious and comforting meal. You're also nourishing your body from the inside out with the power of tamarind.
Your turn to make it at home. From pot to plate, creating sinigang at home. Ready to bring the flavors of the Philippines to your own kitchen? Sinigang is surprisingly easy to make at home. The key is to start with a good quality tamarind base. You can find tamarind paste or concentrate at most Asian grocery stores, or you can even use fresh tamarind pods if you're feeling adventurous. Once you have your tamarind base, the rest is a breeze. Simply saute some onions, garlic, and ginger in a pot until fragrant, then add your choice of protein and cook until lightly browned. Next, add water or stock to the pot along with the tamarind base and your favorite vegetables. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer until the vegetables are tender and the flavors have melded. And there you have it, your very own homemade sinigang, ready to warm your soul and tantalize your taste buds. Serve it piping hot with a side of steamed rice and enjoy the perfect balance of sour, savory, and spicy flavors.
Third dish, a spicy and savory leaf delight, laying. Get ready for a flavor adventure with laying, a dish that will rock your world. Imagine tender taro leaves simmered in rich, creamy coconut milk, infused with chilies and ginger. That's laying, a dish that will ignite your taste buds and leave you craving for more. Enjoy it as a main dish with rice or as a side to grilled meats or fish.
Coconut milk, magic, creamy, healthy, and delicious. Now let's talk about the magic of coconut milk, the ingredient that gives laying its signature creaminess and richness. Coconut milk is not only delicious, but also incredibly good for you. It's a natural source of healthy fats, those good fats that your body needs to function properly. These healthy fats can help improve heart health, boost your metabolism, and even aid in weight management. But that's not all. Coconut milk is also packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin E, iron, and magnesium. These nutrients play important roles in supporting your immune system, protecting your body from damage caused by free radicals, and maintaining overall health and well-being. So, when you're indulging in a bowl of creamy, flavorful laying, you can feel good knowing that you're not only satisfying your taste buds, but also nourishing your body from the inside out with the goodness of coconut milk.
Your turn to make laying at home. Cooking up a storm laying in your kitchen. Ready to bring the flavors of bicol to your own kitchen. Laying may seem intimidating at first, but it's actually quite easy to make at home. The key is to be patient and let the flavors meld together slowly over low heat. Start by preparing the taro leaves. Fresh taro leaves can sometimes cause itchiness, so it's important to wear gloves while handling them. Blanch the leaves in boiling water for a few minutes to soften them and remove any bitterness. Then, drain and set them aside. Next, saute some onions, garlic, and ginger in a pot until fragrant. Add your choice of protein, if using, and cook until lightly browned. Then, add the coconut milk, chilies, and seasonings. Bring the mixture to a simmer and gently add the blanched taro leaves. Cover the pot and let it simmer for about 30 minutes, or until the leaves are tender and the sauce has thickened.
spicy, savory, and ready to devour. And there you have it, your very own homemade lying, ready to transport you to the heart of Bicol with its bold flavors and comforting aromas. Serve it hot with steamed rice as a main dish, or enjoy it as a flavorful side to your favorite grilled meats or fish. Remember, laying is all about balancing the richness of the coconut milk with the spiciness of the chilies and the earthy flavors of the taro leaves. Don't be afraid to adjust the amount of chilies to your liking, and feel free to get creative with additional ingredients like shrimp, pork belly, or mushrooms. So go ahead, put on your chef's hat, and get ready to impress your family and friends with this spicy, savory, and oh so delicious Filipino classic.
Let's now change gears into tips and tricks, mastering Manila's culinary gems. Now that you've had a taste of these incredible Manila recipes, let's unlock the secrets to making them shine in your own kitchen. Cooking is all about having fun and experimenting, and these handy tips will help you become a true master of Filipino flavors. First up, let's talk about marinades. Whether it's the tangy blend for adobo or the spicy kick in laying, marinating your proteins and vegetables is key to unlocking deeper, more intense flavors. Don't rush the process. Let those flavors really soak in. Overnight marinades are your secret weapon for next-level tastiness. Next, embrace the power of low and slow cooking. Both adobo and laying benefit from gentle simmering, allowing the ingredients to meld together beautifully and create those melt-in-your-mouth textures. Patience is a virtue in the kitchen, especially when those incredible aromas start filling your home.
One important tip: health-conscious swaps. Flavor without compromise. Eating healthy doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. Here are a few simple swaps that won't compromise on taste. Opt for low-sodium soy sauce and coconut aminos for a lighter adobo. Reduce oil by searing meat quickly. Use light coconut milk for lower fat. Add extra vegetables for more fiber and nutrients. Adjust spiciness to your liking.
Looking at the Filipino culture and tradition, it's from Manila to your table. A taste of home. More than just recipes, these Manila culinary gems are a celebration of Filipino culture and tradition. They're a reminder of the warmth and hospitality that Filipinos are known for, and the way food brings people together. So, as you embark on your culinary adventure, remember that it's not just about following instructions. It's about embracing the spirit of Filipino cuisine. Don't be afraid to experiment, to add your own personal touch, and to share these delicious dishes with the people you love. Food is meant to be enjoyed, and these Manila recipes are a gift that keeps on giving. So gather your ingredients, put on your apron, and get ready to experience the magic of Manila in your own kitchen. With a little bit of love and a dash of Filipino flair, you'll be creating dishes that are as delicious as they are unforgettable.
Filipino cuisine is a delightful fusion of taste and health. These dishes nourish your body with fresh, wholesome ingredients. From tangy adobo to spicy laying, each recipe highlights natural ingredients. Healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. Enjoy bold flavors while fueling your body with nutrients.
These viral recipes are more than just food. They're a reflection of Filipino culture and heritage. They've been passed down through generations, carrying with them stories of family, tradition, and a love for good food. With every bite, you're experiencing a piece of Filipino history and the warmth of Filipino hospitality. As these recipes continue to gain popularity on social media and beyond, they're also playing a vital role in introducing Filipino cuisine to a global audience. They're breaking down barriers, fostering cultural exchange, and showcasing the diversity and deliciousness of Filipino food to the world. So as you recreate these dishes in your own kitchen, remember that you're not just cooking a meal. You're becoming a part of a culinary legacy. You're sharing a piece of Filipino culture with your loved ones and helping to keep these traditions alive for generations to come.
The world of Filipino cuisine is vast and exciting, and these viral Manila food recipes are just a glimpse into the culinary treasures that await. From savory stews to refreshing salads, hearty noodle dishes to delectable desserts, there's something for everyone to discover and enjoy. So, embrace your inner foodie and embark on a culinary adventure through the streets of Manila, right from your own kitchen. Experiment with different ingredients, explore new flavor combinations, and don't be afraid to put your own personal spin on these classic recipes. Remember, the most important ingredient in any recipe is love. So, put on your apron, gather your loved ones, and let the flavors of Manila transport you to a world of culinary delights. Mabuhay and happy cooking. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comments section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.